Hello friends, welcome to the brand new series of HTML. So here we are going to learn about the HTML tutorials for the beginners. So let's start the tutorial. So what do you mean by the HTML? Why we are using HTML? So HTML basically stands for the hypertext markup language, right? And this is basically used to write web pages, nice and beautiful web pages like the Facebook. You can say the web page, it is also a web page. So any kind of web pages you are going to create, it always requires your HTML skills. So it's a very base part of if the person is looking for the web designing course or something like this. So HTML is the base for writing any kind of web pages to show in the browser, right? So this is the HTML, right? So HTML starts with the doc type HTML. You can also use this HTML tag. This is HTML, and this is the body tag, and this is the title tag, which will reflect the page title. Rest with what all the elements of the HTML are wrapped in a body tag, right? So anything that you want to use, that is h1 h2 p tag, div elements, okay, so all these are wrapped in a body tag. This is the body tag, right? So whatever data you are going to add, it should be wrapped in a body tag, correct? So whatever div element p tags, all are this in this tag, right? So if how to run a web pages, okay? So suppose I have create a folder in my HTML directory, and I have made index.html over here. How to run this page on a web browser? So basically how to run this, you can open directly from the web browser, right? So it will run this on the web browser. Another way is basically you will go to, if your folder is in your HTML directory, then you have to put the localhost, then HTML 5, the folder name, and slash what the page names. So the page name is index, so it will take it from the index is a by default page, so it is showing you over here. So whatever the page is going to test.html, you need to write it over here test.html, test2.html, like this. So this is how we can run the web pages in the web browser. So this is our first tutorial. You can see that this is the document title, and you can see that this is a document title. If I'm going to, this is my first page, this is my first title, first document. You can see that this is my first document. So this is the title page, title of the page, it is defined always in the title. And rest is it's the element of the HTML tags. Heading h1 is for heading, p for the paragraph, or you can see that. So this is how we can generate the HTML on the web browser, right? So that's it for now. So let's meet in the next video where we are going to learn the HTML tags in depth, right? So this is the basic one. Any issue, any query, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.